So the mom actually went to the pet store specifically to find a parrot. But she chose this
Here's
one
the
for a special
payment.
reason. He
We are
immediately
so
started
excited to take him
bonding and
home.
playing with her baby right there in the shop. She knew she had to take him home. And just look at them now. He keeps the baby laughing all day long. They've become total best
Giving him a
friends.
ride,
The
huh?
bird even uses the baby
Good
as
job,
his
baby girl.
own personal
See us
taxi
crawling,
service
feathers
to get
beelining it
around the
after
house.
her.
It was definitely the right choice. Now they are even learning to speak together.